Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we are going to deploy our HTML CSS project which is iTravells. So if you are here, please consider subscribing so you won't miss any future content. Now let's start the video. Yes. So on my screen you can see I have opened my GitHub account, and make sure you have a GitHub account before you are deploying it. If you don't have an account, just create an account and then you can create it. Okay. So now let's create a new repository. In order to deploy the HTML app, you need to create a repository first. Okay. So the repository is nothing but a project in GitHub that you have to create, and you need to upload your files here and then you can deploy it. Okay. So let's see whole process how we can do it. So I'll click on new in order to create a repository, and here I'll say iTravells. Okay. And yeah, so iTravells is available, and description we don't need to apply, and nothing change here. Okay, only the title name or repository name. And let's click on create repository, and it should be created in a moment. Yeah, you can see it's created, and we don't need to see this stuff because we don't want to use this right away. But this option we want. Okay, upload an existing file. Once you click on this, you need to navigate to your folder where you have created your project and you need to upload that. Okay, so let's do that. I clicked on upload, and here you can see drag and drop option also there, or if you want to choose file you can choose it. Okay, so let's go back and let's find where it is. I have in the playground folder and CSS project and iTravells. Here is the folder. Okay, so if I select the whole thing, you can see only two are selected. Folder will not going to be selected. You need to drag and drop that. Okay, so I have selected two. I clicked on open, and let me open my this thing file manager, and let's navigate to iTravells folder. And now you see I need to drag and drop this folder of the images. Okay, so I'll just do this. So now you see all 12 files are there, 12 images are there, which are from slider as well as the cards. Okay, all are going to be uploaded now. Yeah, now you can see all the images and our index HTML and the CSS files are uploaded. And let's add a comment here. iTravells commit, and just click on commit changes, and it will process and it will add all our files here. Okay, all the images files and as well as the index HTML and CSS. Now you see images also we have. If I open this folder, we can see all the images over here. Okay, so this is how it will going to be add to the project or the repository. Now in order to deploy this, what you have to do is you need to go to settings first, and let's scroll it here. You need to find this particular tab, pages. Okay, click on that, and here you see branch. Okay, branch right now it's none. Okay, if I go back into the code, you see here it will say branch as main, so you need to set the branch as to main. Okay, so let's go back to again settings, pages, and I'll set this to main branch, and this should be root only. Then save it. Now it's deployed. Okay, now it will take some time to deploy it, and once it's deployed, it will going to give you a link on the top over here. Okay, so let me wait for some time and come back again. Yes, so as you can see on my screen, I got this pop-up over here. Okay, so it's saying your site is live at this location, and for 2 minutes it's just deployed. And you can see you can click on visit site, or you can just copy this link and open in a new tab. I'll click on visit site, and the browser is giving some security issues. I don't know why. It's for first time for me. So I'll click on details and say unsafe, visit unsafe safe. So it will going to give me this particular thing. Okay, so now our site is live, but I don't know why this warning is coming, but the site is particularly like, you can see iCube code GitHub. This is my username from the GitHub, and this is our repository name. Okay, so this is how we can deploy our HTML project to GitHub. Okay, yes, so this is how we can deploy our HTML project to GitHub. So this is about the iTravells project. We have created our first HTML full project with whatever we have learned in HTML and CSS. Thank you very much guys for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please consider subscribing and give it a like. I'll be back with more content in the next video. Thank you.